Alrighty guys, man, next morning here, early in the morning, we didn't have to take a lift to the airport. Lift was damn near about to break down, wheels about to fall off. Man, had to pull over on the worst side of Detroit. I'm like, oh no. Finally made it to the airport, then the line was like wrapped around the block, man. We literally made it in here just in time. So now I'm walking to my airplane right now. I'm about to head to Connecticut to drop that other bike off, man. So let's get to the plane. If we can find something to eat, that's a plus. If not, hey, the next stop, you know what it is. Alrighty guys, we just made it to Connecticut. Man, we are far as heck from the house. Hopefully they got some rental cars for us here today, man. Alrighty, man, Enterprise finally got us right. You guys know he was in Detroit with no rental car and a freaking Tesla. Now we got a gas car that we can get around and get up and leave when we want to. New Hampshire plates on that joint. Never seen that. Oh, thank you so much. Okay. Have a good one. See ya. Alrighty, y'all see you here first, man. Brand new thing for the new thing. Okay. Let's go ahead and hop in and get up out of here, man. We on the East Coast. I think I'm about an hour from New York or so. The driver not nowhere near us. So I think I'm about to head to New York, man. I think that's what I'm about to do, big dog. Alrighty, guys, man. We in a rental car sliding. I just hit up the transporter, man. He just now pretty much heading out. He was like, man, I'm at least 8.5 hours. So he at least 8.5 hours. I'm about an hour and a half from New York, man. I am definitely about to head to New York City. Give me some New York pizza. About to go up. My cousin out there in New York right now, so it kind of just makes sense, man. I'm about to go out there, see what's up with him. We're gonna slide back, deliver the bike. Hopefully it's not too dark. It's still kind of early, so hopefully it is not too dark. If not, maybe we'll get a chance to deliver it in the morning. I don't know, but we ride and slide and glide, man. So we'll see what's popping. Alrighty, guys, we have finally stopped driving, pulled up to our hotel for the night. It's looking like we at the Intercontinental Times Square, man. We're gonna go up to our room, come back down and get it situated. Meanwhile, we got revolving doors. Yes, sir. We are on the 34th floor, man. Let's see what this experience is like. I don't even know what room number we is. Alrighty, guys, we can check out the room really quick. Nice bathroom. And I already took a shower, regrouped my whoop. Chilled out for a second. This bed is like freaking comfortable as heck, man. Like literally. This is like the best part to me, man. All the buildings. And we're on like the 36th floor. But you guys see, it's so much more to go up. So much more, man.